Hello, wonderful friends, and welcome to a very special adventure. Today, we are going to unlock some amazing superpowers that live right inside of you. These are not just any superpowers, they are your calm down superpowers. We will learn 3 secret skills that can help you whenever you feel big feelings bubbling up inside. Sometimes, feelings like upset, feeling really mad, or feeling a little nervous can feel overwhelming, like a big wave in the ocean. These skills are like your very own surfboard, helping you ride those waves until the water is calm and peaceful again. They are super easy to learn and so much fun to practice. You can use these amazing new skills anywhere you are: classroom at school, playing in your room at home, or out and about. The 3 skills we will explore together today are called balloon breathing, 5 senses check, and quick body resets. Think of them as your secret tools in a special calm down toolkit. Learning to use them is like learning a new game. The more you play, the better you get. Let's get ready to begin our journey and discover how powerful you truly are. Are you ready to become a calm down champion? Let's start. So, why is being calm such a helpful superpower to have? When we feel big, wobbly feelings, our bodies can get loud and out of control. Your heart might beat fast like a drum, your hands might shake, your face might feel hot, and thoughts can race like cars. Using your calm down superpowers helps everything slow down so you can think clearly and make good choices. Our first calm down superpower is a fun game called balloon breathing. It is like magically blowing up a balloon right inside your belly. Sit up tall and proud in your chair, or stand with your feet planted like a strong tree. Place both of your hands gently on your tummy. Breathe in slowly and quietly through your nose, as if smelling a beautiful flower. Feel your belly get big like a balloon. Count in your head. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1 quiet second like a secret. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth, like blowing a tiny, delicate bubble. 1, 2, 3. Feel your belly get smaller. Let's try a few belly breaths together. Pretend you are holding an invisible balloon, any color you want, maybe sparkly gold or bright rainbow. Hold it to your mouth. Take a big belly breath in to fill it, then let the air out very slowly to make it float away. Try to make your out breath a little longer than your in breath. That long exhale tells your body it is safe and can relax. Play balloon buddies. Give your balloon a name, like Sunny, Sparkle, or Blue Sky. Say its name in your head as you breathe in. As you breathe out, imagine it floating up, carrying any worries away. Do 3 big balloon breaths. If you feel extra wobbly, try 5 or 10. Balloon breaths help your whole body and mind feel peaceful and calm. Our second amazing superpower is called the 5 senses check. This is a super secret spy mission for your brain. It helps you notice what is happening right here and right now, where we are safe. Do it at your desk, on a mat, or even standing in a line. Follow along with me. First, sight. Find 5 things you can see. I see the classroom door. I see a green crayon. I see my friend's sparkly shoes. I see the window. I see a picture on the wall. Notice the color, the shape, and where it is. Great job. Next, touch. Find 4 things you can feel: the smooth, hard desk, the soft fabric of your sleeve, your hair tickling your neck, your feet resting inside your shoes. Is it rough or smooth? Hard or soft? Warm or cold? Now, super hearing, find 3 sounds: ticking of a clock, gentle hum of lights, a friend shuffling their feet, maybe birds chirping outside. Name them in your head. Smell. Find 2 things: the soap on your hands, your lunch, or simply the air. If you can't smell anything, say, "I smell the air." Taste. Name 1 thing you can taste now. Maybe your snack, or "I taste nothing." You did it. You completed the 5 senses check-in and brought your mind back to a calm, safe place. Our third and final superpower is a set of quick body resets. These tiny, simple movements help your body let go of tense or wiggly feelings. Fast and easy, right at your desk, like pushing a little reset button. They are perfect when you have been still for a long time. Let's try a few together. Sometimes our shoulders creep up without us knowing. Sit tall and lift your shoulders up to your ears. Squeeze them tight. Hold for 2. 1. 2. Now let them drop with a big sigh. Whoosh! Feel how heavy and relaxed they are. Let's do that 2 more times. Squeeze, hold, and drop. Next up, the wiggle break. Stand by your desk if you can, or do it sitting down. For 5 seconds, just shake and wiggle. Shake your hands, shake your feet, wiggle your arms and hips. Shake your whole body like a wet puppy dog. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now, freeze. Take 1 big, slow balloon breath in and out. Notice how much calmer you feel. Our last reset is called tense and relax. Start with your hands. Make tight fists, like squeezing lemons. Squeeze for 3. 1, 2, 3. Open your hands quickly and let them relax. Floppy fingers. Try your arms, your legs, even scrunch your face and let it go. Tense and relax melts away stress your body is holding. Now that you have these amazing superpowers, it's great to have a special place to practice them, a calm down corner. It's not a timeout or punishment. It is a safe, cozy, peaceful space in your classroom or home for big feelings. Go there to take a short break, use your calm down skills, and help your body and mind feel better. Great items are soft and comforting. A big fluffy pillow, a beanbag, a favorite stuffed animal, or a soft blanket to hug. Add quiet tools to practice your breath, a pinwheel or bubbles to help with long, slow out-breaths. Keep simple reminder cards. Try 3 balloon breaths. Do the 5 senses check. A small sand timer, 3 or 5 minutes, shows it's just a short break. A soft lamp makes the space feel peaceful. Usually one person uses the corner at a time. Ask a grown-up, teacher, or parent before you go so they know you need a moment. The corner is to help you feel calm, not to hide or avoid your work. When the timer is done and you are feeling better, come back and join the group again, ready to learn and play. Look at you! You have done an amazing job learning your calm down superpowers. Your toolkit: balloon breathing, 5 senses check-in, and quick body resets. Balloon breathing uses your breath to slow down and relax. Fill your belly like a big balloon, then let the air out slowly. 5 senses check-in brings your brain to the here and now. 5 things you see, 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. Quick body resets, shoulder drop and wiggle break, shake off tense or wiggly feelings. Your calm down corner is a safe place to practice. Practice even when you are calm. Practice makes your superpowers stronger. Always be kind and patient with yourself. Big feelings are normal. Everyone has them. You have tools, and that makes you a superhero. You can help friends by showing them a balloon breath when they are upset. One last big balloon breath together. Breathe in and let it all out. You are calm. You are strong. You are ready for anything. Thank you for being a wonderful learner today.